Want to create a viral double exposure thumbnail in just a minute? I'm about to show you a secret Canva trick that most designers never share, and it's going to blow your mind. This technique will make your thumbnails grab massive attention fast. If you love quick, game-changing tutorials like this, subscribe for more creative Canva magic. Alright guys, let's jump into this Canva design. First step, remove the background from one of the photos. Then, select the second photo, and here comes the secret trick. We're going to use an app inside Canva to do some magic. Go to Apps and search for Easy Reflection. Click the first one, select your photo, and boom, you've got reflections. I'll choose the right side reflection, set opacity to 100, and offset around 60. That works pretty well. Click Add to Design, flip the position, and delete the older one. Now, just drag this photo to the left side. Next, let's work on the first photo. Again, go into Easy Reflection, but this time choose the left position, opacity 100, offset 60. Drag it to the right side, near the second photo. Looking good already. Now for the background, always pick something that matches the photo colors. Since we're using Virit here, I think a cool blue works best. Adjust the hue a little until it pops. Time for some text. Let's type in King of Cover Drive using the Makoto Sports font. Cover Drive to yellow, and keep King of in white. To make it stand out more, add a little crown element right on top of the text. Now let's add the name. Type Virat Kohli in Anton font. Make it large. Position it slightly behind the photo so it blends into the design, and give it a hollow effect. Once that's done, group all the text layers so nothing moves out of place. Then adjust everything to fit perfectly. For the final touch, add a stadium image in the background, lower the transparency, and match it with the blue tones. And there you go. Look at this output. Try this design at home and let me know in the comments how it looks. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really motivates me to keep making more content like this.